This is a $500,000 Brabus Invicto G-Wagon. It is arguably the most luxurious, most over-engineered SUV on the planet. Its armor is designed to stop high-powered rifle rounds and side blasts. But today, we're going to ask a question that most owners hope they never have an answer. Can this fortress on wheels survive a direct hit from an anti-tank mine? We've got the car, we've got the blast-certified testing grounds, and we've got the science. Today, we find out if true luxury is actually bulletproof, or if it's just a very expensive coffin. Most armored cars are just retrofitted with heavy steel welded to the frame. The Brabus Invicto is different. It's built around an Invicto shelter cell, a self-supporting bolted structural cell that acts like an exoskeleton. It's designed to absorb, deflect, and contain. But a landmine is a different beast entirely. It doesn't just hit the armor. It sends a shockwave through the entire chassis. In this section, we break down why the G-Wagon's high-riding platform is actually an advantage, and why the floor pan is the car's most important and vulnerable feature. Physics doesn't care about your leather interior. When an anti-tank mine detonates, it creates an explosively formed projectile or a massive blast wave. The energy has to go somewhere. Our goal today isn't just to see if the car survives, but to see if the shelter cell maintains its integrity to protect the occupants inside. We are measuring G-forces, cabin pressure, and structural deformation. This is the ultimate stress test for Brabus engineering. The results are shocking. The exterior, it's unrecognizable. But inside, the cabin integrity was maintained. This proves that the Invicto shelter cell isn't just marketing. It's a literal lifesaver. However, there's a nuance here. A survival doesn't mean a drive away. It means the occupants walked away. And for a $500,000 vehicle, that is the only metric that matters. ISA Brabus G-Wagon worth the $500,000 price tag just for safety? For the people who buy these, it's not about the luxury. It's about the peace of mind. We just saw what happens when $500,000 meets 100 pounds of explosive. The car sacrificed itself, so the occupants didn't have to. Subscribe at Apex Epic for more extreme engineering tests, and tell us, what should we blow up next?